There is a potentially dangerous social media trend that may have crept into your children's YouTube videos. It's called the Momo challenge, and the consequences of it could be deadly. This is Momo, the face of a girl with jet black hair set on a bird's body. You've likely seen the Momo challenge mentioned in your newsfeed today. Kim Kardashian reposted warnings to parents about it in her Instagram story. There's a thing called Momo that's instructing kids to kill themselves, turn stoves on while everyone is asleep. It's been seen on Peppa Pig. The challenge is shared over social media. The goal is for kids to meet Momo by harming others or themselves. New York Magazine reports there's no evidence that the challenge has prompted kids to act violently. And in a statement, YouTube said, "We've seen no recent evidence of videos promoting the Momo challenge on YouTube." National Online Safety tweeted online tips in response to hundreds of concerned schools and parents about the challenge. Now, as troubling as it is, this actually surfaced initially online 3 years ago, but that has not stopped the shock of folks talking about this online, like Vixie here, who says the whole Momo thing that's going around is just disgusting. Can't believe someone would create something so barbaric and encourage child suicide. Other people who have been looking at this are scared by the images, like Dee, who says 100% gave me chills. And a few of you online having a little bit of fun with this, just a little, like this guy from Houston who says, "Bring it, I will be training for you, Moma." It looks like Game of Thrones right there. So now let's check out some of the other big stories that we are tracking.